Are you looking for the best HOMEKIT camera? In this video we will look at some of the best HOMEKIT camera on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Eufy Security 2C2 Cam Kit. The key features of this Apple HOMEKIT camera are wireless technology, subscription-free installation, IP67 weatherproof housing, and 6 months of battery life. The device is equipped with a floodlight and a night vision function to provide an increased level of security. Output video resolution is 1080p HD. Thanks to the above floodlight, you can view more detailed and clearer videos taken at night. With this wireless security camera equipped with color night vision function, you can rest easy and not worry about your safety even at night. What's more, it's also resistant to harsh weather conditions, thanks to its IP67 protection rating. Another smart feature of this device is human detection technology. AI determines the shape of the body and facial features, and thus distinguishes them from animals, so as not to bother you in vain. Number 2. Eufy Solo IndoorCam C24. Among inexpensive HOMEKIT security cameras, the Eufy Solo IndoorCam C24 is a great option, offering you detailed color video in daylight and black and white video in the dark. Ease of use as well as a decent set of features makes it popular in the market. It comes with both local and cloud storage, as well as a feature to soothe your pets if you leave them at home. The device is equipped with a speaker and a microphone, which makes it possible to communicate with household members through the application. The camera's viewing angle is 125 degrees, and the output video resolution is 2K. It also comes with a lot of cool and handy features: two-way audio, home app control, and local storage, to name a few. Number 3. Logitech Circle View. This HOMEKIT video camera is often chosen as an outdoor security camera system, but it is also a great option for indoor use. It comes with motion detection and a rugged IP64 weatherproof housing. Through it, you can communicate with others thanks to the built-in mic. Handy advanced features also include setting up notifications and tilting the device down to temporarily stop surveillance. In addition to its powerful functionality, one cannot pass over its stylish and modern appearance. Its sophisticated metal body and matte black wire will suit the interior and exterior of any home. Its built-in advanced wide dynamic range sensor delivers highly detailed and crisp footage both day and night. It is deservedly considered a top-of-the-line device for its skillful combination of infrared-based night vision features, stunningly clear video output up to 15 feet, and a full field of view. Number 4. Aqara G2H Pro. The Hub G2H Pro may well be your best HOMEKIT camera as it seamlessly integrates with most home automation components such as home security, smart control, and more. Users also note the high level of protection due to the built-in siren. Creating an inexpensive but effective security system with door and window sensors is now even easier and cheaper with Aqara motion sensors. Among the main parameters, I want to highlight the 1080p high-resolution output videos, top-quality night surveillance, and convenient two-way audio. Ease of adjustment is provided by a built-in magnet, which is placed on metal surfaces. Also, you can benefit from the support of the IndoorCam application. In terms of storage, you can use iCloud, micro SD cards, or local NAS storage based on the Samba protocol. Number 5. Ecobee SmartCamera. Among the top HOMEKIT compatible cameras on this list, I can also recommend the Ecobee SmartCamera with its integration with the well-known smart thermostat services and the Ecobee Haven home monitoring service. It is equipped with a motion and presence sensor and provides round-the-clock surveillance of your home with a full viewing angle. If you don't have a Haven system, this device alone can provide you with a high level of protection with HOMEKIT Secure Video, 1080p shooting, built-in Alexa, and motion detection.